Welcome to my channel and please like and subscribe.
A husband must provide a financial gift, mahr, to his wife upon marriage, which she owns. Husbands are obligated to financially support their wives, providing for basic needs. Husbands are encouraged to treat their wives with kindness and compassion. Both spouses are to be treated with respect and as equals, serving as each other's protectors. Women have the right to pursue education and lawful work or business if they choose to do so. Both spouses have the right to privacy and are expected to maintain modesty in behavior. Wives have the right to be protected from physical and emotional harm. Abuse is condemned. Consent is fundamental in marital relations. Both spouses should seek and respect it. Wives are entitled to a share of their husband's wealth upon his death, as per Islamic law.